here.
Shh. Dad's recording.
Daddy, why? Let's go on a pike back at you. What? Let's go on a record.
It's going on our car too.
Yeah.
So we got some big, massive snowflakes here in Burlington.
Yeah, Daddy, get the kitchen in. Daddy, get the kitchen in.
The kitchen's fine. Sandbox is fine. The slides are fine. Everything's fine. It's just everything outside.
Dad's bringing her in.
Daddy's getting
Currently just after 5 o'clock.
Daddy, put it in.
And it's
Dad,
April
get it
2nd.
in, Dad, get it in, Dad. Dad, get it in. Snow.
Snow is falling.
Why
Winter is still here in Canada.
We're still here in Canada.
Even though it's technically springtime, but it is snowing.
In the window.
I'm staying mine open. Snow is falling down.
No, it's falling down.
Snow falling down.
No, you minute, open.
Dad, you get the kitchen in here.
Daddy, get the kitchen in here.
Your guys' kitchen is fine. It's on the balcony.
I want to play with it.
We'll play with it after when it's not snowing.
Daddy, please.
Dad's coming about soon.
I don't know.
Daddy, please.
After this,
It looks like it's staying on the ground. Wow, look at these big snowflakes.
look at those big snowflakes. They're really tiny.
They're like the size of your hand.
They're like the size of my hand.
Yeah.